Hello everyone, my name is Shahi and I am from Gorakhpur. Currently I am pursuing my diploma from MP Polytechnic, Gorakhpur. So for doing my summer training, I joined Techpile Technology Private Limited. The reason of joining Techpile Technology is that they provide a good quality of education and their teachers are well being educated and skilled. They also provide doubt support which helps us in clearing our doubts and also building our knowledge, and logic buildings are also done here. So here they conduct basic session in which I can learn Java, database, etc. And after that I moved to Android. In Android I made very mini project like calculator, intent passing, etc. And after that I moved on to my major project, where my project name is chit chat application. It is a chat application like WhatsApp, and Divya ma'am and Rahul sir provide me a good support for building my knowledge and career. So I recommend my juniors to join Techpile Technology and build your prosperous career. At last, I say thank you to Rahul sir, Divya ma'am and all volunteers to support me and guide me. Thank you.